another video today. Things that I find on YouTube. Okay. I want to draw. Okay. Let's see what we can draw. Wait, let me just know how to erase. Let me just. How do I erase this? Wait, white. Let me do this. Okay, that's how I'm going to erase it now. We're going to draw a flying monkey. Yeah, if it's bad, I don't know how to draw. Flying monkeys. Here's the body, the hands. I don't know how to draw fingers. Okay, the other hand. Okay, and then head, ear, face, and then I'm literally drawing a monkey that has a jet. Okay, let me just get a light color. Lighter color. Okay. Then here, going to draw this. Going to make the jet pack blue. My sister was in my room. She can't be quiet. Okay, and then do this. Oops. Okay. Today we're just going to do 2 or 3 drawings, depending on how much time. Okay. So I'm going to this color the face. I know this looks weird. I don't know how to draw, that's why. Okay, so we're going to do this. Then the eyes. White, I need white eye. Okay, I need it thin. How thin though? Okay, this one. Circle and circle. Okay, then we're going to put dots inside. Wait. Okay, and the mouth. Okay, I guess there we go. Monkey. Just erase it. Next thing is going to be let me just wait. Just wait. We're going to wait. Going to draw a baby. We're going to draw a baby dancing on a giant sandwich. Okay. Make it thinner. Okay, let me erase this. erase this. Okay. And then get this. Okay, close it. So now we're going to draw the sandwich. It's going to be here. And then I'm going to need the bread. Okay. I'm actually drawing with my fingers, which makes it even worse. Okay. Here's the bread. And then we're going to draw the baby. So I need to outline it first. Okay. Let me just check. Okay. Wait, guys. Okay. Let's go back. Okay, so now I'm going to outline the head. I know it's going to be huge, but it's okay. Like, here's one leg. Here is the other leg. And then we're going to put one hand like this and one hand like this. Okay, now let's color it with peach. Okay, hope this works. Okay, so make a circle first. Okay, I actually found this on the internet. Let me just make it bigger so it's easier and faster. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, now let me just outline it better. So let me make the head. I know the head is kind of big, but I have to make it big. Okay, now I'm going to put pacifier. Let me just make this thinner. Okay, let me just, okay, so like this. And then I need even, just put purple, then go like this. Wait, that's, let me blue. Okay, wait. Nope, just ruined. I just ruined it. Okay, let me fix this here. Okay, now get purple. Make it thin and then like this. Okay, now we're going to add something amazing. Okay. Like this. And then go like this. Like this. Wait, let me just fill it in. Make it bigger. Okay. Okay, now going to make it thin. Then do this. And like this. That looks weird. Okay, now we're going to need peach. Is there any fill? Make it easy, no? Oh my gosh. I have to color it in. Let me just make it huge. Okay. Okay, now I have to make the diaper. Yeah, but first let me make the outline better. Outline. Okay. Now we need white. Okay, then we're going to do this. diaper and outline the diaper. Then, okay, and then let's color in the hands. It's actually dancing, as you can see. Okay, now put here. Okay, and then like this. Okay, then we need black, and like this. Okay, I'm trying to make it good. Okay, now then we're going to, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm sorry guys, I have to end the video here. I think this one's a good one. I have to end the video here. Okay, bye.